Field visit to the tablet factory. Today, see the whole process of MT6762 assembly.
Attach the Wi-Fi antenna first.
Put the display on the face shell for use.
Insulate these areas with small dots on the motherboard, and paste insulating tape.
Conductive cotton is attached to the small yellow square to make the motherboard and the display screen be in good contact. In these solder joints of the motherboard, add more solder, can ensure that each solder joint is smooth and beautiful.
The first one to solder the microphone.
Left speaker.
Right speaker. Flash. Now to the next process. Install the power button.
Headphone holder. Link the motherboard to the monitor and fix it on the face case.
Align the motherboard with the holes and fix it with 5 screws.
The same is true for the speakers. Align the holes and each speaker is fixed with 2 screws. Insert the opening button into the slot and fix the headphone holder with tape.
The flash is attached to the appropriate position and secured with tape.
Install the camera and also have fixed holes.
When installing the microphone, please align it with the card position, tidy the speaker wires together, and fix them with tape.
Add solder to the 4G antenna position. Battery location, primary antenna location, welded primary antenna, secondary antenna.
Tear off the adhesive of the battery and stick it to the middle of the display. Gently press the adhesive part to make it tightly bonded together. The battery also needs to be fixed with adhesive tape. Half of the adhesive tape is attached to the battery, and half of the adhesive tape is attached to the display screen. When the adhesive tape and the battery are attached, the adhesive tape needs to form a 90-degree angle so that the effect is the best.
Fixed 4G antenna.
Fixed secondary antenna. Each line has a fixed direction and card position. It must be fixed in position.
The battery line needs to be fixed in the middle of the gap if the line pressure on the motherboard or on the battery may damage to the display.
The headphone holder also needs to be fixed with tape.
Install the touch screen and test the tablet computer.
Press the power button and start the test to see if the function is normal. Continuous press next. Mainly test camera, display, touch screen, recording, speaker, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth,
telephone signal.
To paste the touch screen, you need to go to a dedicated dust-free workshop. First, use a special cleaner to clean the dust on the screen. The touch screen is most afraid of dust, so pay attention when sticking protective film and adhesive.
First align one corner, align the other 3 corners at a time, and press the edge of the touch screen in a circle so that it fits tightly on the shell. In the next process, cover the back shell. First paste conductive cotton on the back shell, and install the switch button.
Align the corner of the power button first and press a circle along the edge of the shell material.
Friends who are interested in assembly are also welcome to actively provide your valuable suggestions. We will learn and communicate together. Thank you.